Today's video is regarding HP Invoice 7864 printer. I'm going to show you how to do the copy, print and scan. To do a copy, simply we can place a page on the top scanner. As you can see here, place it facing downwards and go to the display panel. Select copy icon. You can select a document, photo, ID from here, and then you will get option how many pages you want. If you want one or two side, you can also do the two-sided from here, and if you want black or color. And once you select it, it will start the copy process. The output tray is an automatic tray, it will come itself. So here we can see it has done the copy quickly. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to do the wireless printing and scanning. For that we need to connect this printer with any device. For example, I have connected it with my iPhone. Now we can use the top scanner for scanning IDs or passports, or if you want to scan multiple pages, you can use the top feeder tray, which is here. So simply place the page here facing upward, open HP Smart app in your device, go to the printer scan option, and here you can go to the setting and select input source automatic. If you want to change the quality, change it for the 300 dpi and click on the blue icon. So here we can see the scan has been finished, and you can just check here. From here you can save it or share it. Now next thing is to do the wireless printing. For that, simply you can open any document in your device. For example, I have iPhone, and you just have to select this document, select it, click on the print button. In next window you have to select your printer, and you can also select the number of copies and then click on the print icon on the top. Overall, I can say it's very easy to use this printer to copy, print and scan, and this way we can do it. You can also use the ADF for doing the multiple scannings, which is a good feature, and you can also do the two-sided printing if you want. You can change it to the one-sided. It has lots of options. Thanks for watching.